Alright, hello heroes. We're here at Game Castle in Austin. We're going to be setting up for our demo today, and I wanted to do a quick video to show how fast this game is actually to set up. So I'm going to go ahead and hit this timer. I'm going to go at a nice slow pace and showcase the actual product as we go. So let's turn on the timer. This is the initiative mat. Of course, in the actual game, second edition, this is going to be a board. It's like this. It's where all the action actually takes place inside of it. Next, we have the hero boards. They're basically your character's inventory system. We're only setting up for 2 demos, so 2 players. This will be the tear pad for your character sheet, and on the back is your quest progression. I'll set that over here so I can explain it as we go. The RFC, which are reinforcement tokens, let's put them in here. These are just some advertisement things we're going to set out. And that's also just advertisement. All right. We have the monster deck. Keep in mind, this is about a quarter of the cards that actually come in the game. There's over 1,000 cards in the actual game. These are the lesser monsters, the easier to fight with. Of course, they're in card sleeves. So. And then finally, the trap deck, when you have to draw a random trap. The lesser treasure deck, which is your lesser type treasures, when you're fighting easier creatures. And the real treasure deck for all those artifact things you're trying to win. Okay, let's set these here. Extra heroes, we're not using this one. These summons deck for all the summons creatures like elementals and undead that your character might have. The NPC deck for the non-player characters that you can hire to help you out in your quests. Level up deck for when your character gains a level. This is the reference library there. Side quests. Side quests. Don't give level, but they do give treasure. And of course, treasure in this game is used to power up your character by buying potions, or basic items, ability upgrades, hiring NPCs. You can do a lot with just plain treasure without having to get levels. Basic item deck. Okay. These are the initiative markers, so you can easily keep up with whose initiatives win on the board. Status tokens, when your characters have status effects on them. Just to let you know we're doing a video in case you get accidentally caught in it. I don't mind, just didn't want you to get caught unaware. These are random colored markers for when people are under certain effects, like when they're being defended, or say when they're enveloped by a slime monster. Ability markers for when you've used your abilities in games, so you can mark how many you've used and when. And of course, dice. Wouldn't be much of a dice game without dice. Finally, my set of dice, so I can beat up the players as we go along. Last thing we're going to lay out will be the hit point and damage tokens. As characters take damage, you place them on them to show how much damage they are hurt by. We use them to mark how many hit points the actual monsters have left. So it's easy to see who's damaged and who needs to be taken out. I want to set off the quests, NPC markers, combat tier, what opens with level. And of course, wouldn't be much of a game about heroes if we didn't have heroes. We only have 4 available for the demo. Of course, there's actually 24 in the main game, and another 31 in the expansion for the Rise of Heroes. And with that, it took us 4 minutes and 30 seconds to set up the entire game. All right, thank you for watching.